Hey beauties, and welcome to the video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. This might be short, it might be long. I hope you like my little song. Alright beauties, so today's video is a pure mystery bag. I really love, you guys know this, baggings, unboxings. I love getting packages in the mail, okay? It's like Christmas every single month. But Pur Cosmetics has, I think they're still going on, and I'm pretty sure they added some more new ones as well. But they have several mystery bags you can choose from on their website. I went with the $30 bag, and then I also got 30% off. So pretty dang inexpensive. Okay, here's my bag. We're gonna rip her on open and pull everything out together. Oh, it already looked like a good bag, y'all. And with this, I think I was supposed to get 7 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 7 products. And of course, it's a mystery bag. You can kind of see on there what you're going to get just a little bit. But I already see, first and foremost, something that I already have. So I'm not going to obviously play with this. I've had it in the past. But first up, I see the Pure Festival palette. I will at least show y'all what it looks like up close. And those are the shades. We actually received this palette, I'm pretty sure, in a BOXYCHARM in the past. So obviously we'll not be holding on to that. We're going to pass that along and put it in a giveaway or gift away or something like that. Next up is an eyelash curler. I love curling my lashes. I always tend to forget while I'm filming, which is insane. Because in my everyday thing, I have 2 eyelash curlers right beside me and I use them every single time. But I really like this. I do already have 2 pairs, and I also just got a Thrive Cosmetics pair. So as much as these are beautiful, I think aesthetically they're really gorgeous. I'm going to pass these along as well. Next up is a Pure Skin Perfecting Concealer Brush, and it's one of the kind of old school like oval brushes. I'm probably not going to hold on to this either. I have 2 sets of oval brushes that I've had for years, and I literally never use them anymore. I need to bust them out. I need to start using them because they were incredible. But again, it's really, really beautiful, but it'll make someone else very happy. Next up is an On Point Lip Liner Crayon in the shade Low Key, and it looks like a really pretty nude. It looks kind of pinky for me. We're going to open it and just look and see what it looks like. I also don't use lip liners very often. Oh, I like that shape and stuff. That's really pretty. That packaging is gorgeous. So that's what it looks like. And it is definitely more, you know, on the berry pinky side, which is kind of strange because it doesn't look at all like the outer packaging does. I'm also sadly going to pass this along just because, again, I don't really use lip liners all that often. You guys know me. I'm really trying to be super aware and super conscious of what I'm using, what I'm buying, and I'm not somebody that is a makeup collector. You're never going to see me have 1,000 palettes sitting around because why? And no offense to anybody that does that, you do you. I collect fucking unicorns, okay? But I just don't, for me personally, like to have things that I know I'm not going to use, things that don't speak to me, things that are not my, you know, my general kind of aesthetic. Next up is a Pure Skin Perfecting Foundation Brush for the face and body. Again, it is one of the oval brushes. So we're going to pass this along too. Again, I think this has been a fabulous mystery box, especially I think I paid, $22, $24 for it. So that's a lot of product for that price. And it is, everything's really pretty. So I'm going to pass it along just because, again, I won't use it because I have several. This I will use. This is the Brow Sculpt and Groom Brush. And it has, of course, your little spoolie and the little angled brush right here so you can do your brows. You can also use this obviously for smudging across the lash line and things like that, so super, super handy. They are also a cruelty-free brand, in case I didn't say that yet. And in this, I'm very excited about. This is the Pure Liquid Chisel Brush, and it is a liquid chisel brush, a large flat-headed brush with very soft bristles for liquid complexion products. That is what that looks like, and it is more of a duo fiber. How you can see that they're a little bit more firm here, and then they flare out and a little bit softer there. So I'm excited about this, and I will use this. And before anybody says, girl, you just wasted your money because you're keeping 1 item, well, 2 items. Again, you guys, I have so many beauty family members here that I like to just gift away things. I like to do secret giveaways, things like that. My mother, my sisters. I have plenty of people that I can pay these items forward to, you guys. So I don't feel like I wasted my money. Now, if this was an $80 bag, I'd be a little bit pissed, okay? But I definitely think this is super pretty. I'm actually going to take it out. I want to get up close and personal with it real quick. if I can get in here. I'm gonna try it. I'm not gonna count it out just yet, but it feels not as kind of closed off as I like it. Again, it's not supposed to be. It's, you know, a duo fiber brush. I will say that I do like the handle length. I like the hand feel. You guys know I like a little bit heavier of a brush. I don't like a super chintzy brush. My bad on that. Should we try it? We'll try it. We're gonna throw on some primer and then I'll BRB. All right, beauties, I just went in with my e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I really have been enjoying this a whole lot. And I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Foundation in Medium 80W. That is what that looks like. I know I've been using this a lot, you guys, but it is legit the only foundation I have that matches me right now. And I'm too cheap. I am not going to go buy 3 or 4 foundations just to wear for the next 2 months. Again, it feels very strange, but I don't typically gravitate towards this kind of a brush, but I do like the fact that it's smaller. So here we go. I'm gonna do just 1 pump to start with. I don't feel like I typically need more than, you know, than a pump. Let's see. And you guys know I like to really put the bulk of the product here. That's where I have all the redness and stuff like that. You know, broken capillaries around my nose, a little bit of acne scarring. So I like to really kind of take the bulk of the product off the brush. I actually like the way this is looking. And then I kind of start softly diffusing it around the perimeter of my face. Ears, around the neck, behind. That way when you turn around, everything is still cohesive and matches. It does drink up a lot of product, but it like disperses the product back, as opposed to like a sponge, how it just soaks up everything. And I feel like you're wasting a ton of product. That's why I don't actually apply my foundations with a sponge. Hello, hair. It actually feels really nice. I thought I was gonna miss something being a little bit more kind of firm, but I don't. All right. This would also be really good for those of you that really love cream products, going in with a cream bronzer, a cream blush. Yeah, I feel like I got the exact same effect that I typically do. Okay, all right, Pure. I like this, honey. I didn't like that I waited for 9.5 hours to get that Raw Beauty Grizzly palette though and didn't get it. All right, so we'll get close. You guys have seen this on my face before, but just to look at application and stuff like that, you can see there's no streaking before. And after. All right, yeah, I like it. It doesn't feel cheap or chintzy or anything like that in my hands. The hand feel, again, is nice. I like the weight of it. And again, I go in and put the bulk of the product from the brush here, and then buff and diffuse everything out. I think this may be why a lot of people don't like brushes, or they feel that, you know, there are streaks, or they feel like they don't get the, you know, the coverage that they want. I oftentimes see people go in with a brush and literally just go down the face. You can't do that. That's why I say kind of stipple the product in first. That's going to give you the level of coverage you want. It's going to kind of push that product into the skin. Then where I don't need the product, you guys know me, less is more. If you don't need the product, don't layer it on. I'm speaking for myself, okay? Personal feelings on it. I just don't believe in using just a shit ton of product just to use a shit ton of product. Yeah, I really, really like this. It does feel really soft, which is why I was kind of weirded out, and I was like, that might be a little too soft for me, but it's not. Huh. And then again, kind of shearing and buffing everything out in the areas that I don't need the extra. I like it. Of course, I'm not going to really try anything else. My sincerest apologies on that. But like I said, I have sets of oval brushes that they just sit there. I have an entire collection of them. So do I think that somebody that's new to makeup, or somebody that really is just, you love Pure, you're obsessed with Pure, was this worth it? Absolutely. Even for myself, even just having just another good foundation brush, or if I did kind of dabble in cream products, which are not my favorites, I think this is a pretty good value. But overall, I mean, we got a palette, several brushes, the lip liner, the brow brush, this brush, the eyelash curler for less than $25. I think that is a fantastic value overall. So that is it, short and sweet. I'm going to be filming my clothing haul for Rue 21 that my son picked out very soon. Hopefully today. I'm going to try to get to it today. So yeah, that's either going to be great or be a shit show. But that is it for my Pur mystery bag. Again, if you love Pur, if you are kind of looking at, you know, holiday shopping like I am right now, I think it's a fantastic value. I think you can also take and maybe give, you know, these two brushes to someone as a gift, and maybe give them, you know, a foundation or whatever if you know their complexion, you know, colors and shades. Maybe give somebody else a lip liner and another brush. I feel like you can divvy this up, and also it would be a fantastic gift for a newbie to makeup. If you're still here, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you more than you will ever know. If you have not yet, I would love if you would consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family here on YouTube. Also, don't forget to tap that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new content, and you'll see a brand new join button down below as well. You can click that to get any information on channel memberships. So thank you, beauties, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties! Hey beauties, and welcome to the video. Come on,